Hey guys, it's the Chad, and it's early on Thanksgiving morning, and it's below freezing. Well, if you can't tell, I got the old trailer hooked up to the truck, so obviously I did something dumb. And no, I didn't go out and buy another truck, but parts of a truck. It's completely different. Nope. But anywho, jump in. Let's go see what I bought. So we're driving through Wichita, Kansas. We got about another 25 miles to go, and we're on the state's longest elevated bridge, which is, I believe, 2.4 miles long. Fun little tidbit. But anywho, kind of a backstory, how I found this deal is I went out on Marketplace about 2 months ago looking for an instrument cluster for a video I'm doing. Guy had one, but it was a whole dash too, and I didn't need the dash, so I reached out to him and said, hey, would you be willing to sell the cluster? He said, yep. So I went and met him. I asked him if he had any other parts for sale, and he said, yeah, he had blown apart a truck hoping that he and his uncle could get it restored, but they never did. So I ran down and met him. He had a power steering box that I needed, and I ended up buying a hood, a grill, and some other miscellaneous stuff. He said he was going to be sending that truck to the scrapper if he didn't get it sold soon. So I thought about it. I didn't really need another, truck or parts, but I just couldn't let it go to the scrapper, so I'm on my way to go pick it up. Well, this is it. Old 1967 C10, or what's left of it. Got a good old cab and bed. Already robbed the tailgate. She's just in excellent condition. Still got the VIN number. Do have a title for it, but it's just sweet patina. So here's all my help for this morning.
Hi, it's the Garrett. I'm the enabler.
Hey, it's the Topher. I'm the brother-in-law.
And I'm Aaron, and I'm the seller.
So let's get this thing loaded up. More forward.
Awesome. That's perfect. What? That worked out nice.
Perfect.
Yeah. Definitely going on here better than it did coming off my truck.
A round of applause for the big helpers. Woo! Loaded up. Ready to take her home. Except for the part where I might have got on the interwebs last night and searched around for more parts. I found some. So we got a set of rally wheels to pick up not too far from here, and we might have one more stop if the guy will message me back. I don't know. It's a problem. But let's go. So do I need them? Nope. Did I want them? Yep. Yep. So that just happened. Wanted that. needed that. Didn't need any of this, but I just bought it anyway. Why? Because I'm an idiot. But they're in really good shape. And he wants them gone. So they're gonna be gone. And I'm gonna be in a lot of trouble when I get home. Awesome. So we got it all home. Got the bed unloaded. Cab's here. Got it disconnected. And all the parts somehow made it in the back of the truck without flying out. What do you think of Dad's new junk?
You said you were buying a truck.
Well, this is a truck.
It's just pieces.
Well, if you put them all back together, it kind of makes a truck.
Count?
It kind of counts. You want to help me unload it and we can start washing this stuff?
Okay, that I will do.
Yeah. So let's see what we saved today. 67 small window. And she by far has got to be in the best shape of any cab that I've bought. Which is crazy because she's been exposed to the elements for who knows how many years. But check this out. Now she does have a VIN number. I do have a title. The dash is next to the house. But look at the roof line. A-pillars. Just nothing. Now this is where my brain hurts, is looking at this firewall. I don't think I've ever seen a firewall that didn't have some type of rust. Now we talked about in a previous video of when you should repair or swap a cab for your build. If you're building a 67, yeah, this is what you would want to buy. This thing's gonna save you hundreds of hours of labor and a lot of money. Just crazy. So if we move over to the bed, it's a long wheelbase. You can tell it's a 67 because we're missing the side marker lens. The bed does have some cool ocean barnacle crustacean build up there. I did rob the tailgate already. There's the hood for it that I bought on a previous trip, the dash. Aaron threw in a set of doors for me. But again, just a great bed. Just both sides are really straight. I wish the other side had that cool patina too, but yeah, just a good save. So why don't I go power wash everything before I sell it? I don't know. I don't think it brings me any more money, but I do like people to be able to see exactly what they're buying, and it just makes me feel better, so leave me alone. So I got everything all cleaned up, and I think I put my foot in my mouth earlier when I said I didn't need this stuff. Check out this fender. I mean, there is 0 through rust on a passenger side where you know where the battery is. I mean, that's awesome. Keeping it. Driver's side's even better. Now, the only difference would be this 350 emblem on a 71, 72. It should be right here under the side marker lamp. No big deal, can change that out. Change out the custom 20 to a C10 or custom 10. Main reason I bought it was for this radiator support. You saw from my previous video when I went through and showed you guys how to kind of rejuvenate these things. I was gonna keep mine, but it had quite a bit of through rust on the old battery side. This one's great. Battery tray is great. I mean, score. Now the bumper, it's good. I think I can clean this one up. I don't need it, I'll sell it. But my bumper video, I show you guys how to polish up that old chrome. Tad windy out here. And then the hood. Hood's got pretty sweet patina too. It's straight as can be. It's got a little barnacle buildup where it's sat up against the fence over the years and had some splash, but it is really straight. So, pretty good score today. Now the very first truck I built when I was, geez. Get it. Get it. So somebody help me out with this one. Type down the old clickety-clack, what color of green you think's on my 67 C10. I'm really digging it. Now the very first truck I built when I was 14 with my dad was a 1971 C10. It had a very similar color to this, and I believe it was called Seafoam. I'm just not up to speed with all the GM paint color names, but I am really liking the patina look over this green, and it's giving me some pretty good ideas for a future build. So help me out.
Hey, cheetah.
Who says you need to spend a bunch of your hard-earned money on buying those fancy playground sets? Just buy them an old truck cab. Works for my kids. Well, now we've done it. We're able to go through and save another 67 from ending up at the crusher, and we're able to snag up a bunch of good parts along the way. Now, I truly enjoy the hunt for these trucks and parts, but I think the best thing is meeting all the cool folks along the way. Now, these old trucks, they come with some pretty awesome stories. And I know it can be hard for the owners to watch their trucks go on down the road, but one of the main reasons why I buy and sell so often is to keep these things in circulation. That way they're more affordable for the next generation of truck guys. Now, one of the last things we need to do is give this old girl a name. What do you guys think? The Survivor? Seafoam Sally? Frameless? Well, type down the old clickety-clack what you guys want to call her, because this one, you get to choose. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna do with her, but I'll probably hang on to her for a little while. I've got a couple ideas up my sleeve, but eventually, I think I'll just send her on down the road. That way, if somebody's building a 67 that needs to do a full cab swap, this is just a great one to start with. Now, if you guys are getting value from my videos, please smash the like button and subscribe. That way I'm able to bring you more junk like this. That way I'm able to bring you more videos like this. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.